So is the continuation of my previous class. Lastly, we have seen up to 750 numbers of MCQ from the information technology CA certificate level, and today we will complete 50 numbers of MCQ. It will help us to prepare our next exam. So from the information technology in business, few MCQ is here. A or N represents data as two-dimensional table with a record organized in row and attribute in column. So what would be the answer? Which database? A relational database. Relational database. A relational database represent data as two-dimensional table with the records organized in row and attribute in column. So if we see this picture, relational database, so what is the relation between both? Here is the student and here is the course. So their ID, student's ID and course ID, and it's the relation between students and course. So here we can say that a relational database represent data as two-dimensional table with records organized in rows and attributes in columns. If we see 752, the liaison between the information system groups that the rest of the organization are systems analysis. The liaison between the information system group and the rest of the organization can system analysis এর সাথে organizational অন্য গ্রুপের সাথে যে link. Which of the following was the first commercial web browser? So here question is that which of the following was the first commercial web browser? So first commercial web browser, Netscape Navigator. Which of the following was the first commercial web browser? Answer, Netscape Navigator. So here is the basic here. The first commercial web browser was developed by the team of National Center of Supercomputing in 1993. It was a graphical browser that allowed users to navigate the World Wide Web by displaying text, image and multimedia content. The answer is, we can say that the first commercial web browser, Netscape Navigator. What web server functionality allowed variety of username and password and process certificate that encrypted information? Encrypted information. So here security service, data security. What web server functionality allowed the variety of username and password and process certificate and encryption information? Security service. The dimension of e-commerce that enable commerce across national boundaries is called global reach. The dimension of e-commerce that enable commerce across national boundaries is called global reach. A security plan begins with risk assessment এর মাধ্যমে, যে আমার কতটুকু রিস্ক আছে ওইভাবেই সিকিউরিটি প্ল্যানটা করা হয়। মানে অ্যাসেস করার পর এরপর আপনার পলিসি করা হয়, তারপরে ওটাকে অর্গানাইজেশনের ভিতরে ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করা হয়। সো এ সিকিউরিটি প্ল্যান বিগিনস with risk assessment. A recent global survey of business and information system managers found that investment in collaboration technology produce organizational improvement that return more than the times the amount of the investment. But a recent global survey of business information system managers found that investment in collaboration technology produce, যদি টেকনোলজির পিছনে আপনি ইনভেস্ট করেন তাহলে সে 4 গুণ রিটার্ন দিবে ইনভেস্টেড। হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং ইজ নট অ্যান এক্সাম্পল অফ কোলাবোরেশন? এই কোলাবোরেশনের এক্সাম্পল নয়। কোনটা? এখানে হচ্ছে এটা কিন্তু ওয়ার্কিং উইথ মেনি কলিগস টু কোঅর্ডিনেট দ্য অ্যানুয়াল কনফারেন্স ইজ দ্য কোলাবোরেশন। ফিলিং ইউর এক্সপেন্সেস রিপোর্ট, এক্সপেন্স দ্যাট ইনকার্ড লাস্ট মান্থ, ওয়ার্কিং উইথ এ কোলাবোরেশন, এটা কিন্তু কোলাবোরেশন। ওয়ার্কিং উইথ ICB ফ্যাসিলিটিস অ্যান্ড IT ডিপার্টমেন্ট to set up a new computer lab. It's a collaboration. Number B is not a collaboration. So which of the following is not an example of collaboration? So filling out your expense report for expense that you incurred last month is not a collaboration. Other three are the collaboration. Reports on the organization's current performance and provided by the Management Information System এর মাধ্যমে MIS. So organization's current performance are provided by the Management Information System MIS. Organizational performance provides by the Management Information System or MIS. What is the status of FIR's order is a question for the, that means আপনি একজন একটা অর্ডার করলো, সেই স্ট্যাটাসটা আসলে আমরা কোথায় জানবো? এটা হচ্ছে ট্রানজ্যাকশন প্রসেসিং সিস্টেমে। অর্ডার করা তো একটা ট্রানজ্যাকশন হওয়া, ট্রানজ্যাকশন প্রসেসিং সিস্টেমের মাধ্যমে জানা। Order link with the transaction processing system, and here link with the performance of the organization given by the Management Information System. A very clear understanding of how a business works can be achieved by, there are four answers using metric, achieved by analyzing the business process. Question is that a very clear understanding of how a business works can be achieved by, একটা বিজনেস কিভাবে ওয়ার্ক করে এবং অ্যাচিভ করে সেটা জানা যাবে বিজনেস প্রসেসকে অ্যানালাইজ করে। সফটওয়্যার অ্যানালাইসিস জানা যাবে না, বা হার্ডওয়্যার অ্যানালাইসিস জানা যাবে না, মেট্রিক এফিসিয়েন্সি ব্যবহার করেও জানা যাবে না। আনসার ইজ ডি। Which of the following business process is not the part of the finance and accounting functional area? Here four processes here. It's not the part of accounting and finance. What would be the answer? Here, look here. Paying creditors is the accounting part. Managing cash account, accounting part. Enrolling employees in benefit plan. Creating financial statement is the accounting part. But see, just benefit plan enroll করা হচ্ছে, এখানে কোনো আর্থিক পরিবর্তন হচ্ছে না। So here answer is C. So if we see the question, which of the following business process is not part of the finance and accounting function area? So enrolling employees in benefit plan is not a part of finance and accounting area. Which of the following statement does not apply to business process? Business process always stand on their own. So here if we see all four, question is which of the following statement does not apply to business process? Business process এ এটা অ্যাপ্লাই হয় না। First, business process are workflow of material, information and knowledge. Is true. Every business can be seen as a collection of business process. Okay, business process refers to the unique ways in which organization coordinate work, information and knowledge. It is true. But D, business process always stand on their own. এটা বলছে যে বিজনেস প্রসেস সবসময় তার নিজের মতো চলে বা নিজের মতো থাকে, এটার সাথে যায় না। তো হিয়ার আনসার ইজ ডি। So which of the following statement does not apply to business process? So business process always stand on their own does not apply to the business process. Industrial structure is defined as the nature of the players of an industry and their relative bargaining power. So একটা ইন্ডাস্ট্রির তার স্ট্রাকচারটা ডিফাইন করে যে কোন নেচারের বিজনেস এবং তাদের মানে স্টেক হোল্ডার কারা, প্লেয়ার কারা ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে, তাদের সাথে রিলেটিভ বার্গেনিং পাওয়ার কতটুকু আছে এটার উপরে ডিপেন্ড করে। আনসার এ। নাও ডাটাবেজ রিসোর্স ম্যানেজমেন্ট। স্ট্রাকচার কোয়েরি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ SQL is an international standard query language found in many database management system package. So what is this? Is true or false?
Yes, sir.
It's true.
Yes, sir. True.
Yes, yeah. SQL is an international standard query language found in many database management system packages. True. The dash major use of database management system software are to create, maintain, and use the database of an organization. The three C. Answer C. The three major use of database management system software are create, maintain, and use database of an organization. So the answer is C. 3. A dash is the main software tools of the database management approach because it control the creation, maintenance, and use of the database of an organization and its end user. So here a DBMS, a database management system, is the main software tools of the database management approach because it controls the creation, maintenance, and use of the database of an organization and its end users. Answer A. If we see 768, a dash is usually designed to allow one or more programs to access different data files at the same time. A file processing system is usually designed to allow one or more programs to access different data files at the same time. Here answer is B. So a file processing system is usually designed to allow one or more programs to access different data files at the same time. Traditional file processing system include manual system and also computer-based file system that were linked with the particular application program. It is agreed, 100% true. Traditional file processing system include manual system and also computer-based file processing system linked with particular application program or software. Dash is the process of creating, storing, and accessing content of files. We can also modify files through this process, file processing. So file processing is the process of creating, storing, and accessing content of files. We can also modify files through this process, is the file process. Answer C. 771, a data warehouse and its data mart suggests whole data that have been extracted from various operational database for business analysis, market research, decision support, and data mining application. Answer fully agreed. Answer B. A data warehouse and its data mart suggests whole data that have been extracted from various operational database for business analysis, market research, decision support, and data mining application. True. Fully agreed. A data dictionary is a database management catalog or directory containing metadata. What is metadata?
Data about data.
Data about data. Answer A. A multidimensional database, MDB, is a type of database optimized for data warehouse and online analytical processing, OLAP, online analytical processing applications. Here answer fully agreed. It is true. So a multidimensional database is a type of database that is optimized in data warehouse and OLAP applications. A database that can be perceived as a set of tables and manipulated across with the rational model data. Each database includes a set of system catalog table describe the logical and physical structure of the data. Is true. Five fundamental dash are it is the database structure. Five fundamental database structure are hierarchical, network, relation, objectivity, multidimensional. Answer is C. A database is an integrated collection of logical related data element. True. A dash is system software for creating and managing database. A database management system is a software. A database management system is a software for creating and managing database. Answer D. Dash may be logically organized into character, field, record, file, and database. Just as writing can be organized, letter, sentence, etc. So what would be the answer here? Data. Data may be logically organized into character, field, record, file, and database. What does data resource management (DRM) involve? Data resource management or DRM involve managing an organizational data resource effectively and efficiently. So DRM involve managing an organizational data resource effectively and efficiently. What does master data management involve? Master data management involve managing critical data entities across the organization. Your answer is C. Master data management involves managing critical data entities across the organization. Which of the following is not a component of DRM? Here we have seen here DRM means data resource management. Which of the following is not a component of data resource management? Data governance is the component. Data integration is okay. Data quality management. But data visualization is not is the component. Answer D. Which aspect of DRM focus on protecting data from unauthorized access? Here, data security and privacy. DRM focus on protecting data from unauthorized access. Data security and privacy. Resource that involve determining the types of quantities resource needed for a project. Here, resource estimation involve determining the types of quantities and resource need for the project. The first step of resource management is identifying the resource requirement for the project. আমাকে আপনি যেই কাজ করতে যাচ্ছেন আপনার কি লাগবে সেটাকে প্রথমেই আইডেন্টিফাই করাটাই হচ্ছে ওর প্রথম কাজ. The main objective of resource management is to ensure that resources are allocated and utilized to maximize productivity. আমার যে রিসোর্স আছে সেটাকে সঠিকভাবে অ্যালোকেট করে ম্যাক্সিমাম প্রোডাক্টিভিটি যেন আমি এখান থেকে পাই সেটাই হচ্ছে মেইন অবজেক্টিভ. Resource management involve the planning, allocation and utilization of resource to achieve project objectivity অথবা একটা কাজের অবজেক্টিভিটি বের করা. What is the purpose of data governance in data relationship management? Purpose of data governance. Establishing policies and procedure for data management. So here purpose is establishing policies and procedure for data management. Which of the following is an example of system software? So what is system software? Microsoft Word, Adobe, Windows operating system, Google Chrome. Answer is Windows operating system is a operating system software. Which of the following is an example of cloud computing service? Cloud computing service এর example হচ্ছে যেমন Microsoft Excel নাও, Dropbox. So here example is cloud computing service is Dropbox. How does cloud store benefit অফিস ম্যানেজমেন্ট? অফিস ম্যানেজমেন্টে কিভাবে ক্লাউড স্টোর আমাকে বেনিফিট দেয়? আনসার, it provide easy access and sharing of file. Answer C. What is the purpose of an email client of an office management? Purpose of email client of an office management is organizing and sending email. Answer C. Which of the following is an example of the office productivity software? Office productivity software example Microsoft Word. Here office productivity software. What is the primary goal of data security? Data security primary goal key. The primary goal of data security is protecting data confidentially, integrity and availability. primary goal of data security is protecting data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Which of the following is an example of a physical security measures of a data protection? So here physical security measures of a data protection is biometric access control. Physical security measures for data protection is biometric access control. What does the term of phishing refers to the context of data security? To fella ashole social engineering attack through defective emails or website. What is the purpose of regular data backup in a data security? Purpose of regular data backup in a data security is ensure data availability in case of data loss or system failure. Data loss অথবা system fail হলে আমি যেন ডাটাটা পেতে পারি এই জন্য সবসময় ব্যাকআপ রাখা। So purpose of regular data backup in data security is ensuring data available in case of data loss or system failure. What is the purpose of IT service level agreement? SLA. Purpose of IT service level agreement ensuring IT resource availability. So the purpose of IT service level agreement is ensuring IT resource availability. Answer A. What does IT asset management involve? IT asset management involve managing software license and hardware inventory. IT asset management involve managing software license and hardware inventory. What is the primary goal of IT resource management? The primary goal of IT resource management is optimizing the utilization of IT resource. The primary goal of IT resource management is optimizing the utilization of IT resource. What is capacity planning in IT resource management? Capacity planning in IT resource management is determine the amount of data resource required to meet future demand. So capacity planning in IT resource management is determining the amount of IT resource required to meet future demand. So this way we have completed 800 numbers of MCQ through the beginning, and if we see it, it will help us for preparing our next exam.